Now, 27 storm track weather with meteorologist Max Saparis.
We start off with a look at flooding from yesterday. We had a flood advisory over along 151, including Columbus up towards Beaver Dam, and this was the result from heavy rainfall. The street turned into a river, and some folks got creative, found their kayaks, and were enjoying the day, even though it was pretty wet. Thanks to Diane for this photo. And if you have any shots, you can send them our way. Connect at WKOW.com. Rain reports over the past 48 hours, pretty significant. On the low end in southeastern Wisconsin, you folks picked up around 3/4 of an inch of rain over the past couple of days, and that's still pretty decent. Arlington near Lodi got more than an inch in Montello and Edgerton. Meanwhile, at New Glarus, we were around an inch and 3/4. That's around where Madison topped off. That'll go in the books on the north side at the airport as such. And on the high end, Muscatine, 4¼ inches. I didn't believe it myself. I checked with the National Weather Service and they said, yep, that's an accurate reading. Meanwhile, New Lisbon at around 2½ inches along with Middleton. So you get the idea. Plenty of rain. The drier stretch of weather probably welcome for most, and we are going to be experiencing drier weather here overall across your 7-day forecast with just slight rain chances. We do have a slight rain chance today, but there's not much to talk about over the Badger State. Most of the rain, pretty spotty in nature, but will stay far to the north, though it could clip our far northern areas in central Wisconsin. So you'll see that here as we zoom in. Next several hours play out like this. Yeah, a few spotty light showers for the north woods, but locally speaking, we should stay mostly sunny all day long. And if we do get a shower, it's likely going to clip Juneau, Adams, Green Lake, or Marquette counties, so everyone else, no threat for rainfall, and tomorrow looks dry too. So maybe you're doing a little work from home, grab the laptop, take it outside, because it's a nice, comfortable day, mild, dry, with low humidity. We're going to track temps in the upper 70s by later this afternoon. Blue skies, lots of sunshine. That means we're tracking another very high UV index as we look over Cascade Mountain and Portage. What does that mean? That means you can expect a sunburn in as little as 20 to 25 minutes today. So make sure to apply the sunscreen generously and in the coming days as well, because look at the forecast. Very high UV index tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday as well. Because when you get drier, that means we have brighter skies, and of course, summer is pretty quickly approaching. 70 in Montello, 71 in Fond du Lac right now, 71 in Madison, 74 in Lone Rock with a light wind out of the west at around 5 to 10 miles per hour, but it'll be around 10 to 20 miles per hour later this afternoon as we have a cold front rolling in from the north. On the backside of that front, wind shift out of the north, but look at much calmer tomorrow. Big picture, we can play this all out for you. High pressure moving in, that's keeping us nice and dry today. That cold front way to the north going to spark off some showers for the northern half of the state. Otherwise, we're breezy down here in southern Wisconsin ahead of that front. Nice and seasonal tomorrow as high pressure moves in from Canada, cooling us off this weekend. So 77 today, outside chance for a stray shower, not a big deal. 54 degrees tonight and cooler tomorrow, mid-70s, plenty of sunshine again. 7-day forecast, cooler still for the weekend, upper 60s, low 70s, overnight lows down to the upper 40s. So hopefully you've turned off the air conditioning already, unless you're impacted by pollen. That's still impacting us this time of year. But a nice, dry, cooler stretch of weather. We warm back up by next Tuesday with another stray shower chance, and then Wednesday, 87. The change for the weekend, Caroline, I did introduce an isolated shower chance for Saturday.
Okay.
Not positive that's going to pan out, but something to be on the lookout for. Not going to be an all-day event. Again, dry is a good word to describe our 7 days.
Yes, keeping an eye on that for us. Thanks, Max.